Hey guys, my name is Ramya and I love food. I'm a hardcore foodie. My very good friend Pooja and I are always in constant search of some good eating joints to get some nice food. So we thought, why not spread the awesome information about getting some good food through this channel? So welcome to Foodie's Place, where we explore the city in terms of food. Presently, we stay in Chicago, so most of the places we go to will be in and around Chicago. Today, we've decided to meet up at a coffee place called Savara Coffee. The address is here. We've heard it's an awesome coffee place, so let's go get some nice coffee and have some good time. So, let's go! This is our first ever video.
Correct.
So, and we both love eating, drinking. So
Yeah, we just love it. So we just thought we'd start with coffee,
Yeah.
and this was like one of the best places that we thought of, like we heard. So
Yeah.
today I am having a boozy steamer. That's what it's called. So it basically contains scotch, honey, almond milk, and a peel of orange. So I haven't tasted it yet. So yeah, I'll just keep that suspense until Ramya tells about her drink, and then we'll try it.
Okay, so I have basically taken Hi-Fi Mocha. I am actually not sure what it has, but I just like the name that it's Hi-Fi, so that's why I just ordered it. So yeah, let's just go
Let's
ahead
do
and
it then. Cheers.
cheers. I don't know what. It's sweet.
Yours is not?
Mine is little bitter.
Okay. So maybe you want to
I think the bitter is because of the
mocha.
and orange peel.
Oh yeah, like that mine is also bitter. I try. Let me see if you need to. Because this one's sweet, you can taste it. Yours is bitter.
Yeah, yours is different. I don't know. I don't know. It's kind of bitter, or maybe I drink a lot of very sweet coffee. So for me, this is bitter. Maybe you can add more sugar and make it sweet, but otherwise, the cream quality and the coffee quality, foam of it, and all is very soft and nice. So I really think for it's definitely good if people drink coffee a lot and they like bitter coffee, but I think I like more the sweet version of coffee. So
Yeah. So I think about your coffee. When you drink it, you're getting that some taste in your tongue. That
Orange.
that it's like that hitting taste. I
Yeah.
feel that, yeah.
so like it starts off with coffee and then it becomes orange,
Yeah,
and then when you swallow it becomes
remains,
bitter.
Yeah,
So
yeah. So
it's a very interesting combination.
Correct.
I've never had
definitely.
orange flavored coffee. Like I mean,
yeah, I think it's nice.
Yeah,
like if
it's
you
nice.
wanna try, it's really nice.
yeah,
I think and people who like coffee would definitely like it.
yeah, it's
Yeah. And this one, that there's this, like when you drink it, there's this flavor that is different.
I think it starts off with almond milk, and
Yeah,
then it
yeah.
becomes honey, and then you get the real alcohol
Yeah,
flavor
yeah,
hitting
yeah.
your
Correct.
throat
Yes,
down,
yeah.
and it becomes hot.
Yeah, but then while you drink it, you don't feel that you're actually drinking. Like you feel like you're normally drinking a sweet hot drink.
Yeah, you feel you're drinking milk in the
Correct.
beginning, and then you're like, oh, okay, I
it
have
was
to be
alcohol.
above 21 for this.
Yeah.
You will realize that.
So yeah, this one's also nice.
Yeah,
If
it's-
you
both are very different and
Yeah.
very interesting. I think everybody should try weird variations of coffee or ciders or anything like that.
it's really different.
It's very different. I mean, you can't compare it to anything. It's so new.
Totally.
You can't compare it to anything.
I can still get that orange hit on my lip and then on my tongue. Like
Yeah.
really, you get that orange hit.
Yeah, I mean, like when you drink coffee, your mouth will have that coffee taste in it, right? It's not there. You
No. So yeah, if you're in Chicago
yeah,
and you want to drink some different coffee,
very different.
I think this is the place to be.
Yeah, and very different cider as well.
Yeah. I never expected a cider to be in a cup. For the
exactly.
like it's
Like when I-
actually in a cup, and when I thought it was a boozy steamer, I thought it would actually be in a glass and it would be cold.
Yeah,
I didn't think it would be a. Yeah, those steamers said it would be hot, but I
I
didn't
don't
actually
know.
think of it.
Yeah, I am not used to alcoholic drinks being in a porcelain cup. Like I
True.
always think you should be in some glass bottle. But this is really cool, man.
Yeah,
really good
definitely.
variations.
Okay, and another thing about this place, it closes at 5 in the evening.
Yeah.
So, but the best part is there's another place behind, like the one that you guys are seeing behind us. Is
Yeah.
actually Green Street Smoke Meat. So this is open until night. So even if that place is closed, like just take your coffee and come and sit anywhere that you
Yeah,
find.
it's a shared space between two restaurants. One restaurant is open for a really long time and the other one just closed up, so you can use the other restaurant space.
Correct. So yeah,
I remember.
and it's a pretty cool place.
Yeah, it's a very nice, chill, vintage feeling. How is your tongue?
Now it's done. This
Mine
one
has
is
so much
it's
orange in
totally
it, man,
hitting.
like-
When it's hitting, no, it's actually hitting. Like it's properly hitting your tongue and properly hitting your lip.
Seriously, like okay, the one good thing about this coffee is you will not have that after coffee breath. I think maybe you will have an orange breath.
People would not know that you've had coffee.
Yeah,
And then Sean said to get the painkiller.
But that's an interesting thing.
Had to go down to Vienna.
Actually, I'm gonna take a sip to get that
Pick up.
hit again. But some like really crazy combinations. Even this one, even this one.
yeah. Like really crazy, you know.
Yeah. We should ask her that what has she actually added.
Yeah.
If you take this, make sure you stir it because I can just feel all honey at the top at the bottom.
Mine is how much is mine?
5,
And it's $5. Hi-Fi Mocha is $5.
and mine was 7.
$7.
All the boozy steamers are around 7 to 12.
I think no, the coffee drinks are cheaper. They're like 2.5, 3. I think this was the costliest.
Yeah.
The others are 2.5. 3. Oh, also there's a green.
Right.
There's
Green
a
coffee.
green latte tea here. I think
Yeah, it is green in color because I saw a few people having those green colored.
on St. Patrick's Day if you want, you can try it.
Yeah.
Or any other day if it's available. She
Yeah.
had a hot alcoholic drink, guys. Hot alcoholic drink.
Okay, it's green tea latte.
Green tea latte is the green colored tea.
So the Hi-Fi Mocha has a Japanese spice which is actually used for cooking, and it has a citrus flavor to it, the spice.
Oh, okay.
So that's why, they actually use it for cooking, but these people use it for making coffee. So that's why the very citrus flavor.
Very pungent.
Correct. And the green tea latte and the milk tea latte are both green tea lattes.
Okay.
The only difference between both is milk tea latte has espresso with it.
Okay.
Espresso, cocoa, and but the green tea latte does not have espresso. This is cocoa, green tea, and steam and vanilla.
So it's not green in color then.
It looks green in color, but only the milk tea latte has a tinge of coffee flavor to it, and the green tea doesn't.
So now the review ratings. I really like sweet coffee. This was very different and it's very new, but I don't think I will drink it on a regular basis. So I think I will give it 7 out of 10 because one is it's not very sweet, it's very pungent. But why I give it 7 is it's very different and it just is filled with surprises, and that's what I like the most. But it's very refreshing. But the only thing is it's not very sweet and it's bitter plus sour, which is a very weird combination. Maybe if you like bitter and sour, you might give it like 9, but I'm giving it 7. Worth the price, definitely. For $5, I've gotten a lot of coffee. It is worth. I think I got more than what I paid for. So for quantity wise, yeah, it is cool. Surprises, yeah, definitely. It's filled with surprises. Yours?
Cool. So for me, I really like the taste, and I'm this sweet lover. So it was actually sweet. So I think in terms of the proportion and the taste of everything and the blend of each stuff, I would rate it 9. The only thing why I don't rate it 10 is only because of its quantity for the price. So for 7, it's too less in quantity. But I would definitely rate it a 9 because it blended well in all its combinations. It tasted yummy. It was sweet. I enjoyed drinking it, and yeah, it's a very different feeling of having actually a cider which is hot. So,
We are in no way promoting any place. We are not ambassadors of any place. We are not even professional food tasters or anything. This is just our personal view. This is just personal view of two foodies who want to just try different places and eat crazy things and
explore everything. Yeah. So
explore the city in terms of food.
correct. Yeah. So if we go to any random place, we are not at all promoting it, and we haven't tried it. That's why we are going there. So, but yeah, we're just reviewing it because we want to have fun and explore it.
Yeah, and nobody's paying us.
Yeah. Very important.
We are going to rate each other's drinks as well, or whatever dishes we can rate. So for her drink, yeah, I would rate it an 8 because even I like the taste. I like the almond milk and the honey in it. It's really nice and very different, but I love the taste. But same reason, it's $7, and the cup is too small. So that's the only point. Otherwise, the taste is great. I love what you do.
Yeah. And her coffee, I'll finish her coffee because I like it.
And so she has a different rating.
Yeah,
I think
so
she likes it more.
Yeah, so I rated it for the creativity of everything.
For its newness
and
very new.
Correct. And the different things that you can experiment with coffee. For that, I would definitely rated it.
So if you liked that video, hit the like button and share the awesome information about drinking some good different coffee, and subscribe to our channel if you want to get more information about different eating joints. As always, eat nicely and stay chill. Peace out.